Hey everyone, are you ready to feel amazing? We're going to talk about fitness. It's all about feeling strong and healthy. Fitness is for everyone. It doesn't matter your age or how fit you are now. We can all get fitter together. Fitness is about so much more than just looking good. It's about feeling great inside and out. When you're fit, you have more energy. You sleep better at night. You can even think more clearly. Being fit can also help you live longer. It helps prevent heart disease and other health problems. But most importantly, fitness is about feeling happy and confident in your own skin. So are you ready to unlock your fitness potential? Let's jump right in. Fitness is about more than just lifting heavy weights. It's a holistic approach to well-being that encompasses various aspects of physical health. It's about being strong, having energy, and feeling good. When you feel fit, you have the stamina to tackle daily tasks with ease and enjoy life to the fullest. There are many different parts to fitness. Firstly, we have strength. Strength is the foundation that supports all other aspects of fitness. Being strong means you can lift things easily. It gives you the confidence to perform daily activities without strain. It also helps you move better. Functional movements and compound exercises are key to building this kind of strength. You can build strength by lifting weights or using resistance bands. Next, we have endurance. Endurance is crucial for maintaining energy levels throughout the day. Endurance means you can keep going for a long time without getting tired. It's what allows you to run that extra mile or swim those additional laps. Running, swimming, and biking are great for endurance. These activities not only build stamina, but also improve cardiovascular health. They make your heart and lungs stronger. A strong cardiovascular system is essential for overall health and longevity. Flexibility is super important too. It ensures that your muscles and joints can move through their full range of motion. It means your muscles can move easily. Stretching helps improve flexibility. It also prevents injuries and enhances performance in other fitness activities. Remember, fitness is about finding what works for you. Choose activities you enjoy. This personal approach makes fitness sustainable and enjoyable. That way you'll stick with it and see amazing results. Consistency is key, and enjoying the process makes it easier to stay committed. Ready to feel incredible? Imagine waking up every day with a burst of energy and a smile on your face. Let's talk about the benefits of fitness. It's not just about looking good, it's about feeling great from the inside out. One of the best things is increased energy. Regular exercise can make you feel more awake and alert throughout the day. When you exercise, your body gets better at using oxygen. This means your muscles work more efficiently and you feel less tired. This gives you more energy for everything you do. Whether it's playing with your kids or tackling a big project at work, you'll feel more capable. Fitness also strengthens your heart. A strong heart pumps blood more efficiently, which is crucial for overall health. A strong heart pumps blood more efficiently. This means your body gets the oxygen and nutrients it needs more quickly. This lowers your risk of heart disease. Regular exercise can help keep your heart healthy and reduce the risk of cardiovascular issues. And guess what? Exercise releases endorphins. These are chemicals in your brain that act as natural painkillers and mood elevators. These are natural mood boosters. They can help you feel happier and more relaxed, even after a stressful day. So working out can actually make you happier. That's not all. Regular physical activity can also improve your mental health. Fitness can also help you manage your weight. By burning calories, you can lose weight or maintain a healthy weight. When you exercise, you burn calories. This helps you shed those extra pounds and keep them off. This can help you lose weight or maintain a healthy weight. Plus, it boosts your confidence and self-esteem. And let's not forget about stress reduction. Exercise is a fantastic way to relieve stress and clear your mind. Exercise is a fantastic stress reliever. It helps you focus on the present moment and forget about your worries. It helps clear your mind and improve your mood. So why wait? Start your fitness journey today and experience these amazing benefits for yourself. Section 4. Fitness for beginners. You can do it. Starting a fitness journey can feel overwhelming. Many people feel uncertain and hesitant when they first think about beginning a workout routine, but don't worry, it's easier than you think. With the right mindset and a bit of encouragement, you can overcome those initial doubts. The key is to start small and gradually increase your activity level. This way, your body can adapt to the new demands you're placing on it. Begin with simple exercises like walking, jogging, or bodyweight training. These activities are accessible and can be done almost anywhere. These exercises are perfect for beginners. They help build a solid foundation without overwhelming you. And remember, consistency is key. Regular exercise will help you see progress and keep you motivated. Aim to exercise for at least 30 minutes most days of the week. This duration is manageable and effective for building a habit. Finding an activity you enjoy is crucial. When you enjoy what you're doing, it doesn't feel like a chore. If you love dancing, join a dance class. It's a fun way to get your heart rate up and meet new people. If you prefer being outdoors, go for hikes or bike rides. Nature can be a great motivator and provide a refreshing change of scenery. Don't forget to set realistic goals. Having clear, achievable targets can keep you focused and driven. Instead of aiming to run a marathon in a month, break it down into smaller, more manageable milestones. Start with a shorter distance. Celebrate each small achievement as it brings you closer to your ultimate goal. And celebrate your progress along the way. Every step forward is a victory, and recognizing these moments will keep you motivated and inspired. Section 5. Busting fitness myths. Don't be fooled. Let's debunk some common fitness myths that might be holding you back. One big myth is that lifting weights makes you bulky. This isn't true. Lifting weights helps you build muscle, which makes you stronger and healthier. Another myth is that you need to work out for hours every day to see results. This simply isn't true. Even short, regular workouts can make a big difference. Some people believe that you need fancy equipment or a gym membership to get fit. Wrong. There are plenty of effective exercises you can do at home with no equipment at all. Remember, fitness is about finding what works for you and making it a sustainable part of your life. Section 6. Finding your fitness groove. Finding your fitness groove is all about discovering what you enjoy and what fits into your lifestyle. Experiment with different activities until you find something you love. Maybe you're a social butterfly who loves group fitness classes, or perhaps you prefer solo workouts in the great outdoors. There's no right or wrong answer. Don't be afraid to try something new. You might surprise yourself and discover a hidden passion. And remember, it's okay to have off days. Life happens, and sometimes you'll miss a workout. Don't beat yourself up about it. Just get back on track when you can. Section 7. Your fitness journey starts now. Congratulations. You're now armed with the knowledge and motivation to embark on your fitness journey. Remember, taking that first step is the hardest part. But once you start, you'll be amazed at what you can achieve. Start small, set realistic goals, and find activities you enjoy. Listen to your body, be patient, and celebrate your progress along the way. It's time to unleash your inner fitness superstar. I believe in you. You've got this.